In this video, we listed the 5 best gang switch panel on Aliexpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Green LED 8-gang switch. The 8-gang switch panel offers a convenient and safe way to control up to 8 lights and accessories simultaneously with its advanced technology and safety features. The panel allows for customization to suit individual needs and comes with essential protections such as circuit breakers and overvoltage and overcurrent protection. Its easy plug-and-play installation and wire management make it user-friendly, and the included mounting brackets enable versatile installation options. With a panel size of 4.5 by 2.6 by 0.6 inches and a circuit box size of 7.5 by 1.3 by 4.1 inches, this switch panel is constructed from high-quality ABS material and a die-cast aluminum circuit box, ensuring durability. Operating at 12V, 24V DC and offering a maximum power of 600W at 12V, 1200W at 24V, it can handle a maximum current of 60A and operate within temperatures ranging from -40 degrees Celsius to +150 degrees Celsius. The package includes essential components for installation, such as self-adhesive labels, strapping tapes, mounting brackets, necessary screws, and wires. By following the instructions for connecting the red and white cables, users can enjoy enhanced safety and convenience while driving at night with this innovative and user-friendly switch panel. Number 2. Mictuning 8/12 gangs. The Mictuning P1S 8-gang switch panel is a versatile and advanced control system for various vehicles such as trucks, SUVs, UTVs, and off-road cars. This panel comes with app control, allowing users to adjust backlit colors, lighting modes, and control modes remotely. The app provides options for default lighting modes and customization, with the ability to assign icons to buttons for easier identification. The panel features 3 buttons for ON, OFF functions, brightness adjustment, and backlight color mode selection. Users can customize device controls for each switch, choosing between constant mode, momentary mode, and strobe mode, providing flexibility for various scenarios. The panel offers various color options and lighting modes to match the car's ambience, including gradient, jump, and breathing effects. It is designed for easy installation, with flexible power supply options, ACC or battery, and support for both vertical and horizontal mounting. With a high power rating of 12V, 720W or 24V, 1440W and a maximum current of 60A, the panel is suitable for powering multiple devices safely. It comes with additional fuses for circuit protection and labeling stickers for customization. Overall, the Mictuning P1S 8-gang switch panel offers a convenient and customizable solution for enhancing vehicle control and aesthetics. Number 3. 4V Marine Gang LED switch. The Marine Boat Yacht SUV Car Universal Touch Automotive Off-Road Lights 12V 24V 8-gang LED switch panel is a versatile and efficient solution for controlling multiple LED lights and accessories in various vehicles. Operating at 12V, 24V DC with a maximum power of 1200W and 8-gang capacity, this switch panel offers high sensitivity, stability, and strong anti-interference capabilities. It features safety mechanisms such as 60A reset circuit breakers, overcurrent protection, reverse polarity protection, and thermal protection to ensure the safety of your vehicle. Suitable for off-road vehicles, trucks, power sports, marine, and heavy equipment, this panel can be easily installed in various locations within the vehicle without the need for complex modifications. The product comes with customizable self-adhesive labels for easy identification of each button, along with plug-and-play wiring and clear instructions for a hassle-free installation process. Built with durable die-casting aluminum alloy housing, this switch panel offers a long lifespan of over 50,000 hours and comes with customized services for logo and package printing. With a warranty of 1 year and certifications like CE, ROHS, this switch panel guarantees reliability, ease of use, and durability for all your automotive lighting control needs. Number 4. Mictuning 12 Gang. The upgraded app control version of the Mictuning switch panel offers remote control capabilities, allowing users to adjust backlit color, lighting mode, and control mode manually or via the Mictuning app. With the app, users can choose from default lighting modes or customize their own, with the option to assign icons or use device pictures for button clarity. The panel features 3 buttons for ON, OFF control with memory function, brightness adjustment, control mode selection, and backlight color mode settings. Each button can be customized for various functions like constant, momentary, or strobe modes, catering to different device controls. The panel supports various color options and lighting modes, enabling users to match their car's ambience and create personalized combinations. Installation is made easy with flexible power supply options, ACC or battery, and vertical or horizontal mounting possibilities, with included mounting brackets. Rated at 12V, 720W, 24V, 1440W, and max current of 60A, the panel is designed for higher power and greater stability, suitable for various vehicles like RVs, marine, cars, trucks, off-road vehicles, ATVs, UTVs, boats, yachts, and caravans. The package includes extra fuses for circuit protection and labeling stickers for customization. Number 5. 24V Universal LED Switch Panel. The 6-gang switch panel and 8-gang switch panel offer convenient solutions for controlling multiple lights and accessories from a single location. The 6-gang switch panel features high-quality aluminum housing, operates at 12V DC with a maximum power of 720W and current of 60A, with an operating temperature range of -40 degrees Celsius to +105 degrees Celsius. On the other hand, the 8-gang switch panel also has high-quality aluminum housing, operates at 12-24V DC with a maximum power of 600W at 12V or 1200W at 24V, and the same maximum current of 60A, with a similar operating temperature range of -40 degrees Celsius to +105 degrees Celsius. Both panels offer versatility in installation with different brackets, customizability with universal switch stickers, and automatic dimmable backlight for enhanced visibility. The panels come with all necessary components for installation and use, providing a convenient solution for organizing and controlling various accessories.